Hey guys, welcome to day 9, Law 9, the Law of Magnetism. Who you are is who you attract. The Law of Magnetism, who you are is what you attract. I gotta clarify this, because John Maxwell does. Not what you want is what you attract. Who you are is who you attract. Leaders are drawn to those who are most like them. If I see someone who's a lot like me, innately I'm drawn to that person because I see myself in them. As a result of that, I want that person around me more so I can kind of learn about myself, but also because it's just what I like, because it's who I am. I won't lie, I have a bit of an issue with this one because I don't think that it's healthy that we only typically attract those who are most like us. In fact, part of the application process that I want to go through with regards to this particular law talks directly about that and deals directly about that. If there is a concern or criticism I had, it would be this, that the law of magnetism may attract who we are, but it could also attract people who are not, but want to be who we are. So if I have influence over someone and I understand that person's kind of shy, doesn't really like talking, isn't that outgoing, but I personally am very outgoing and very extroverted. That's who I am. I might attract someone who's not, but wants to be like that, who wants to be like me in instance, in a very humble, with a very humble heart, but someone who might want to be like me, someone who might want to be very comfortable speaking to hundreds of people or a classroom of 20 and do so in the same way. Someone who would very comfortable going and hanging out with people that they'd never really met before. That might be someone who they want to be, not necessarily someone who they are. So I could attract someone who wants to be like me, not necessarily someone who already is like me. But in regards to what John Maxwell talks about with the law of magnetism, is that typically we attract who we are. Who we are is what we attract, not what we desire, but who we are. So 2 application points for this particular section. Shorter section, very straightforward. First is that we need to have a potential followers checklist. We got to look at the qualities that we would like to see in followers, that we would like to see in the people who are following us, who are working for us, who are under us. And then when you write that list out, right next to each of those qualities, each of those qualifications, what I want you to do and what's suggested is that you put a star next to the ones that you see are very much like you. And you'll realize how much you not only are attracting the people who are like you, but you sort of want to attract people like you. And again, I say that because I feel like that can be dangerous, because a team of you will not get done what a team of you plus a team of people who have the skills that you don't have can get done, which is what brings me to my second portion. When you have, John Maxwell talks about when you have the people around you that are like you, then you can start to look for these people. This is sort of level 2 of a law of magnetism. You work on attracting people who will complement you, not people who copy you. People who complement you, not people who copy you. What does that mean? That means that if I have a very outgoing personality, someone else might have a very introverted personality, but that introverted personality can reach a subsection of people that I wouldn't be able to, can talk to a subsection of people and communicate with them in a way that I wouldn't know how to do. That's healthy, I think, for a team. That's healthy for a leadership team to possess. So I would highly recommend attracting not only who you are, but those people who would complement you in who you are. So that's the law of magnetism. Leaders attract who they are. Who you are is what you attract, and you should work to attract those to come around you and follow you who complement you as well. See you guys tomorrow.